represented. Sino kaya ang naiinggit? A. Naiinggit sa pera.
Dapat ore pa rin. Ay, char! Baka.
Inggit.
Ano kaya yan? 8.
Presenting the academic awardees from grade 1 St. Albert and St.
Na
Augustine
may baby ka.
with high honors. Bustia Pia Grace R.
Parang inano ko, ni-scan.
She will receive Best in Christian Media and Bible Celebration
Maraming salamat
and
po.
Perfect Attendance Award.
Sa inyo,
Sa
support.
She will receive SSJ
Nakikita ninyo na hindi ko naman kayo respect. Binigyan po ako. Thank you so much po.
with high honors. Marcoleta Samantha Marley R.
Yaw!
She will receive Best in Christian Media and
So, dito na lang ako mag-voice over at i-flex ko na rin tong Toblerone na dalawa yung laman niya kaya malaki. Thank you so much po. I really appreciate you all. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow, like, and share my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Bye!